What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request from Parsbell, another Teen Wolf character, Peter Hale. Alpha State, Peter Hale. Now, this is from season 4, episode 12. I know he has like more of a wolf state at some point in the show, but I wasn't sure about whether it would be a good one to draw or not. So let's try this one with the blue eyes. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So he's got like all these prosthetics on his face, these kind of makeup making his eyebrow kind of look like a Klingon sort of a thing. So center point of my page, about here. Come up and the eyes will be just above halfway a little bit. His head is kind of tilted, right? So we go like this big sort of frown going that way. And it kind of becomes his cheek, right? It kind of like curves around, gives him this weird sort of eye socket thing going on. So this curves down. So that's like his eyebrow kind of a thing. Right, and you could do similar shape on the other side. So it's like his cheekbone sort of thing sticking out like that, right? So then his eye is inside there. So top eyelid sort of comes down like that. And I think he does have eyelashes sticking out here. And then his bottom eyelid line just here. And then those big glowing blue eyes. Sort of there, and then pupil there, right, and then top eyelid line here, and then like some more sort of wrinkles and bags and stuff underneath his eyes. Do the same thing pretty much over this side. Top eyelid line, eyelashes sort of sticking out here, and his tear duct, and then the bottom of that eye curving around here, and then his iris and his pupil blue. Like so. We got like tear duct, and then like some extra sort of wrinkles and bags around his eyes. So this sort of nose, right, because like it's part of his face. Right, so we go, I'd say like the bridge of his nose sort of comes down in here. Kind of gets narrower as it goes down. And then he's got like some sort of weird line up the middle of his head. Right, so his nostrils then sort of stick out here on the side. And then the tip of his nose down around like that. kind of shadowy in there. These kind of curve around in here as well. Tip of his nose sort of there. Then these kind of like weird cheekbones and eye sockets and stuff. So he's open mouth smiling, right? So we're going to go wide smile line. Coming across. His mouth like so. And then like his top lip line sort of in the middle, stretched out. His mouth is open, so real dark in the corners, and then fangs and stuff sticking out. Right, so fangs, right? So fangs that stick up from the bottom. Here along the side. It just seems to be like dark then. In the corners, just black. Mouth might be a bit big. Might have been a bit far with that lip. Just gonna raise that, sorry. Right, and then so more teeth inside. So his bottom teeth are kind of sharp as well. Okay, and then he's got these big sort of cheekbone things sort of coming down from his nose here. And he has sort of a mustache, kind of like facial hair, but it's kind of like a tash rather than like a full beard kind of a thing. So I'd only put in some stubble even. And he's got a little bit on his chin. So his chin then, real sort of pronounced sort of chin. Like real strong jaw and everything. And his bottom lip. And that stubble, sort of like a little sort of cluster of stubble in a sort of a triangle. Sort of shape there on his chin. And some like sticking off his chin as well. Okay. So his face is really exaggerated, the size of it, because of, you know, the prosthetics and stuff. Okay, now, so his jaw sticks out real far, and he's got like some beard sticking out here, right? So his jaw kind of goes out this way, and it gets kind of hairy. So some spiky hair along this side of the jaw, and then kind of like the inside of this coming up, joins his sideburns kind of on his hair. He's got like veins or cheekbones or something here, something weird. It's like part of that eye stuff. So it's like his hairline goes in, just kind of zigzagging in that way, and again some like jaw hair sticking off the side like that. Strange makeup. Okay, so then his sort of ears stick out real pointy here. And his hairline, so center point here, and we just do this sort of zigzag shape coming around, joins the side of his head. There. And then, so he has like all these Klingon sort of wrinkles on his forehead. So like, this kind of stuff. Right, so then his hair up the side, just like short, sort of hair spikes. It looks like there's a part in his hair there. I'm not quite sure. Let's just have it goes across this way then. It looks like he has a fringe sort of at the front then. Right. Okay, so then like his head kind of tilted, so his neck quite wide, muscly kind of neck, and collar comes down that way. Neck kind of arches back, neck muscles going that way. There. Right, and then his collar sort of goes down that way. Making his jacket sort of goes off here. He's got like this big collar on that jacket and his shoulder. It's weird that he's smiling. Shoulder goes off that way. Right, so just some edge lines then. And what way is that collar? So goes sort of that way. It's like a shirt or something in there. And then sort of glowing blue eyes. I'm not sure if there's a vein on his cheek, like here. There's something else, but I don't really know because I can't see it. So stop. Peter Hale. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.